In the previous segments, we introduced architect Zaha Hadid. In this episode, we intend to examine her design philosophy and approach to creating buildings. Zaha Hadid's architectural design philosophy is typically recognized by the unique features evident in her design. She is known as a prominent and creative architect, and her design philosophy can be categorized into several key aspects. Use of curves and free-form lines. One of the prominent features of Zaha Hadid's design is the use of curves and free-form lines in her buildings. Instead of employing traditional structures with sharp angles and straight lines, she embraced curves and free-form lines, allowing for the creation of buildings with infinite forms and unique design. Spatial experience. For Zaha Hadid, architectural design should not be limited to creating aesthetically pleasing structures. It should provide an experience for users. She aimed to create captivating experiences for visitors through spatial design and lighting. Breaking constraints. Zaha Hadid is known as an architect who often challenges conventional architectural constraints and norms. She seeks to break boundaries and push her design towards infinity and boundlessness. Fusion of art and science. In her design, Zaha Hadid combines artistic and scientific elements. She uses advanced technology to create sustainable structures and incorporates artistic elements to enhance the beauty of her designs. Interaction with the natural environment. Zaha Hadid strives to harmonize her design with the natural environment. Instead of creating structures that stand apart from their surroundings, she aimed to integrate them with the environment to foster a positive interaction between the building and nature. Zaha Hadid's design philosophy is seen as an effort to shape the future of architecture by reimagining classical architectural concepts and creating innovative and progressive design. Hadid stated that her architectural design were not a personal stamp on the world or an act of self-indulgence. Instead, tackling the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century was the cornerstone of Zaha Hadid's style and creativity.